Assistant Professor Dr. Firman Wijaya is a professor from the Faculty of Law, UNCRIS, and criminal law expert. And today he will discuss a topic entitled Justice Collaboration in Indonesia Legal System. Associate Prof. Dr. Firman Wijaya took his undergraduate degree from Tarumanagara University in 1992, master degree from 17 Agustus Universitas 17 Agustus 1945, and earned his doctoral degree from Krisdipayana University in 2015. His papers were cited and can found in Google Scholar. Welcome, Associate Professor Dr. Firman Wijaya. Time yours.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Prof.
Respectable Professor. Sorry. Professor Dr. Suit Margono, respectable, and Professor from Malaysia, Prof. Muhammad. Okay. The first all, thanks for giving opportunity of myself. My name Dr. Firman Wijaya. Maybe I want to explain about the whistleblower and justice collaborator. And we know interesting discussion about this, mainly whistleblower and justice collaborator. Okay, my paper is once introduction to justice collaborator. We know about the law no Act 1991 concerning criminal procedure law in Indonesia, on better known criminal procedure code or KUHP. Yeah, this role of witness every criminal trial in court is very important because of witness statement, yeah, can influence and determine tendency of just in legal system in Indonesia. The witnesses becomes one the judge determining whether persons guilty or not guilty. Ladies and gentlemen, it's known the criminal procedure laws applies before the criminal procedure codes in Indonesia. Regulation on HIR started years 1949 number 14, which was initially intended to improve criminal procedure law and justice. So version yang instance reglement or HIR is not intended to achieve single unit criminal procedure of law, because in addition to HIR, criminal procedure law 100 also applies. And then about the realization of the legal process, information about felony, especially corruptions, yeah, really comes to light. Those investigating, gathering evidence to prosecute crime like corruptions require this party, its whistleblower, who have access to vital information and who is willing to disclose his good wife. Okay, this slide. Defining whistleblowers. Whistleblowers is once important to increasingly in use around the world to prevent and detect wrongdoing or misconduct, particularly economic and financial crime like embezzlement, public fund, illegal activities. Whistleblowing term like associated with raising alarm. Yeah, as when referee blows the whistle alert to participant game to full committed. Whistleblowers blowing to whistle also like not to hold people on group to alert about them something dangerous on potential threat. There's a whistleblower, a person who blows the whistle to reinforce information regarding wrongdoing or even crimes. We know about the organized crime, so very difficult to prove who make to realize and non-obligatory to disclosure. It gets on the public record and who person has had to privilege access to data or information. An organization about non-trivial illegality or wrongdoing. Whatever actual suspect or anticipate implicate to under control a certain party in external entity to have power received to wrongdoing. In Indonesia, Supreme Court's circular letter on 4 of 2011, SEMA 4/2011, other ones who know certain criminal act then report the case are not the preparators of the actions. More explicitly, deliberate non-obligatory no disclosure, which gets on the public record, a willing witness acknowledge the judicial process. But I think the joint degree between the witness and victim protection against an Indonesian system, Indonesian legal systems, for agency, LPSKI, and then Attorney General officers, Indonesian Police and KPK, and the Supreme Court Justice Collaborator. A witness who also preparators willing to cooperate will be the enforced. So this to make case the returns of crime itself. The problem of protection of whistleblower, justice collaborator, in order to protect whistleblower against a form to reprisal the United Convention Against Corruption, UNCIC, direct all member states institute whistleblowing protection policies to ensure adequate protection to whistleblower. Article 3030 Convention provides this, its state party shall considers incorporating into the domestic legal system appropriate measures to provide protection against any injury treatment for any person who reports in good faith and unreasonable grounds to competency authorities any fact concerning offense established in accordance with the Conventions United Nations 2004. Law number 13 of 2006 on witness and victim. The enactment on law number 13 of 2009 on witness and victim protection has found propositions is formulation as follows. The first, to fill regulation gap of the witness, the crime, the victims, the complaint, and the justice collaborator with Criminal Procedure Code, KUHP, at the principal equality before of the law. And the second, to stop various illegal practices which hinder witness complaint to testify honestly or discontinue report those violent way or other method in the form physical or physical operations. The third, encourage the creation of conducive atmosphere in order to drive people participating in prevention and eradication of various criminal acts, particularly as felony, as in the name, a serious crime or the scandal crime. The fourth, fulfill the right of crime victim by helping to resolve any issue that emerges from the committed crimes. We know mainly about information from the public witness testimony, participant witness. The witness position is criminal justice process, a key the justice process, a key position criminals procedure code. Until the Article 10, the Court law stipulate the following. The first, witness, victims, preparators, witness, and reporters cannot be prosecuted legally, either criminal or civil, for testimony and or report that the will are being have given, unless the testimony or report is not given in good faith. And the two, protection for justice collaborator number 13 of 24 concerning amendment law number 13 of 2006 concerning protection of witness and victims, that even a lawsuit against witness, victims, offending witness, and reported the testimony and or report that will be are being have been given, the lawsuit must be postponed until the case, the report, or testifies was decided by the court and obtain permanent legal force. Okay, the next. I think I'm holding on the case violation of law. Yeah, the law starts the perspectualing witness may be given specially handling in examination process and reward for the testimony given. Such rewards can be informed, but of real criminal impositions, additional remission, etc. However, in order to obtain award in form to relief from the imposition of punishment irreversible, LPSK, Lembaga Perlindungan Saksi, that the institution has to provide written recommendation the public prosecutor to be included his claim of the judge. What the judge think, what the judge decided, has a reference from the LPSK letter. Any problem of the law number 13 of 2014 concerning amendment of law 13 of 2006 concerning protection of witness and victims, any several problems. First, perception problems. Second, any coordinating problems. And most seriously, the third, implementation problem. I think any problems, a more serious problem about the interpretation, about law enforcement. Okay, the next. The carrying risk of safety, fine legal norm, legal base, explicitly and specially regulated with justice collaborator and whistleblower, unless defendant or suspect. The condition is business 6 in the position criminal procedure code. A reality of justice and collaborator in Indonesia. This case is namely Kosasih Abbas, to former official Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources (ASDM), were both charging using Article 2 part in conjunction with the Article 18 anti-corruption law in conjunction with the Article 1515 program 1 to Article 65 paragraph on criminal code in prison for the 4 years and fined to 200 millions and 60 millions and subsidiary 3 months in 4 years and fines of 2,000 millions and subsidiary 3 months in prisons, while Jacob is being charged more severely, namely imprisonment for 2 years and fine of 500 million and subsidiary of 6 months in prisons. The current risk of safety for the whistleblower, the international best practices, development to protect to protect the measures will be guaranteed. But reality of justice collaborator Indonesia and whistleblower, found reality of justice collaborator in Indonesia. He knows the corruption eradication score defendant on suspect Jacob Purwono was sentenced to 9 years in prison and fined 30 million. Subsidiary 6 months and additional penalty of paying compensation of 1.3 billions. Meanwhile, defendant Tu Kosasih Abbas was sentenced to imprisonment for 4 years, a fine and 150 million and subsidiary 3 months and additional penalty of 5.7 million. However, even though the KPK has declared Kosasih Abbas as justice collaborator, but the panel judge has not considered Kosasih Abbas' position and justice collaborator at all. Next. The namely case Susno Duaji. The popular case because Susno Duaji, a Kabar Reskrim, the Mabes Polri, former Kabar Reskrim Susno Duaji MSc was convicted. Alternative as civil servants organized who receive give a promise, a gratitude which is considered to be a bribe, to be a bribery with the combination or mixing indictment structure, namely alternative cumulative states. In the other view, investigator, prosecutions, and trial process of Susno Duaji, who was protected as wild whistleblower and justice collaborator, causes juridical problem and the class authority between investigator, prosecutor, and the LPSK, Lembaga Perlindungan Saksi dan Korban, institutions. The judge considers the role defendants exposing to irregularity and obtaining protection from the LPSK. Okay, the next. That I mean the state must be guaranteed for the protection the witness. But until now, the state didn't have to guarantee a protection a witness and justice collaborator. Same is participation, citizens' participation in criminal process. WIBNGC, I think, is part of citizen participation in criminal process. One the reason why the importance of regulations about the whistleblower and justice collaborator. Okay, the third case, Vincentius case. Namely, Vincentius case, the whistleblower and justice collaborator case, which attached the attention the public were Vincent's case, because he report made by the former ASEAN Agri Group financial controller to the KPK at the end 2006. Sorry. Without the information compiled, perhaps the public would not have known about the suspect tax manipulation, which result the state loss of 1.1 trillion. However, it was precisely a legal incident. The accused of Vincent was accused of having committed a criminal offense with the serious and construction charge, the wares of heavy, the position of whistleblower and justice collaborator. Okay. Sorry. Paper yang kedua. Ada satu lagi. One paper again. Ya. Oke. Sorry, any problem? Yeah, I think the justice collaborator has more law enforcement officials. Yeah, make to the justice collaborator have a connection to whistleblower. Whistleblower same as divulge a secret, and whistleblower and justice collaborator, the one who divulge a secret, the law enforcement. I think cooperating persons, yeah, about the law enforcement, so more important to regulation of whistleblower and justice collaborator in Indonesia. For the reason there is need to reform CGS and CGA can anticipate various pattern of crime. The success of criminal justice process highly dependent, evident or proven, especially whistleblower and justice collaborator. The criminal justice system sometimes late and appropriate anticipate growth of various crime with the changing model of crime. Yeah. Okay, the next. Law number 30 of 2014 as amendment to law number 13 of 2006 on protection of witness and victim. Law number 13 of 200 on protection witness and victims relating with the Supreme Court Circular SEMA number 14200 on action whistleblower and justice collaborator, law government number 1919 of 2012 and amendment law government number 30 of 1999 about term and condition implementation citizen rights. Law government number 771 of 2000 about the procedures for the implementation and appreciation to prevention and eradication criminal acts and corruptions. Yeah, I think corruptions models, various of crimes model for corruption like embezzlement, public fund, dirty money, illegal transactions, illegal activities. But the categories of whistleblower and justice collaborator, yeah, whose witness participate on the crime and witness who do not participate on the crimes. Okay. Goals of whistleblower and justice collaborator, I think the survival, the crime, terrorism, narcotics, human rights, and corruption, and the various crimes model to protect. I think to make assurance to protect witness and victims. As any risk to whistleblower in justice collaborator, to risk the internal risk and the external risk. Risk external hostility from the friend and partner, family, and the witness and the victim can be treated. Someone the position a whistleblower can be the jobless or the risk internal. But the risk external, whistleblower and justice collaborator, the person who can be punished, yeah, can be arrested, can be detained. Okay. The right whistleblower and justice collaborator in Article 5, Law Number 13 of 2014 on the protection of witness and victims to entitle to protection over personal security, family, in the positions, admin free from the threats for the regard testimony which will is being or has been given by him. Participate in the process of selecting or the specifying the form, the protection, the security support, and provide the information without any pressures get to translator. The free of question laws inform development the case, inform the court ruling, inform the regards convicted freeds, consular to identity, gets a new identity, and got temporary accommodation, got new place residence. But maybe safe house, yeah, in the system to protecting in whistleblower justice collaborator need to the system, Indonesian legal system. Okay. Conclusion. Kesimpulan. Yeah, this case Agus Condro, the whistleblower justice collaborator, the corruption case of Anas Urbaningrum, the high profile for the whistleblowing and justice collaborator Indonesia. But the Article 99 International Covenant on Civil Political Rights to propose right to freedom, security of person. This right strengthened by article in Indonesian regulation. Even though Article 10 of LAN does not specially mention to report whistleblower and justice collaborator. Yang tadi ya, yang pertama. And understanding the concept whistleblower and justice collaborator should begin to believe ideology from the common law system, but not Indonesian legal system. But I think the provision Article 10 of Law Number 30/2006 concerning protection of witness and victim, amend Law 13 of 2014 does not yet to provide clarity on the formulation legal umbrella can be provided to whistleblower and justice collaborator. The preparatories of related to participate of whistleblower and justice collaborator, because the end participation given does not provide any benefits. Instead, it gets negative things. It should be considered a logic and orientation of protection takes precedence over the logic orientation of mere punishment. At the same time, it's necessary to minimize the potential for clashes between protection against and law enforcement against. Ada lagi, habis. Alright, Miss Moderator, thanks a lot. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam, thank you very much, Professor Firman.